Parents in Fort Worth have stopped the school district from requiring students to wear masks, possibly until the end of the year. Jason Allen is live in Fort Worth tonight. So, Jason, this order could be in place until January.
That's when there would potentially be a trial, Brooke, about all of this, and so it would be in place until that trial gets going. What's more likely, and the judges talked about this in court, is that it would keep this restriction in place until another court, possibly the Texas Supreme Court, weighs in on this and decides who is in charge regarding masks. Is it schools that are in charge, or is it the governor in his executive order? Judge John Chupp had already issued a restraining order that had stopped the Fort Worth Independent School District from making masks mandatory to start the school year. Parents pushed back last month after the district decided to defy the governor's rule on masks just days before the school year started. In the final argument from parents, and this was all done by submission today, they said this all boils down to whether an independent school district can ignore the weight of all other issues connected with face covering use in an education facility and the decision by Governor Abbott. Meanwhile, the attorneys for the school district wrote parents entirely failed to demonstrate a probable, imminent, and irreparable injury should their children be required to wear masks in school. Now, in the last hour, one of the parents who was on this told me that they were ecstatic with the win. They had a few of them had tried to get masks individually so their kids didn't have to wear them during the past year, but were denied or ignored, and so it led to this. Now, I'll throw in one other thing. In the last half hour or so, there has been a notice of appeal filed by the Fort Worth Independent School District in this case. And in that appeal, they argue that because they're appealing, that this injunction is thrown out and no longer stands. We're trying to get some clarification right now from attorneys on both sides of the issue about what that means next week when kids go back to school. Brooke?
Yeah, I'm sure it's confusing for a lot of the parents as well. Jason, thank you so much.